Arcezan Pax Romana Zush Gun getting his on the outside. Then down on the inside, Spratly Island. Swish Gun getting racing in third, Spratly Island. Racing in fourth comes Mighty Maton Pax Romana. Ladies Celine, directors, lead gold headers, and playing the grip. A stronghold. We have Gungarin, the leader by about 3 lengths. Swish in second, Mighty Maton now moving up to take third alongside for Spratly Island. Directors Let Go, Pax Romana, Ladies Celine headers, and Stronghold still racing in last. With Gungarin, the leader by about 4 lengths. Swish, Mighty Maton now trying to get closer in third. Is Spratly Island on the outside for directors Let Go, Pax Romana, Ladies Celine. And it's still Gungarin, followed by Swish. Mighty Maton is running by the third, Spratly Island on the outside, directors Let Go. Gungarin still the leader. Here comes Mighty Maton, swoosh on the outside is Spratly Island. Gungarin, Mighty Maton now in the middle. Swoosh, Pax Romana also moving up on the outside as they come down at the last of the day. Mighty Maton, swoosh is on the outside. Gungarin, Pax Romana. Mighty Maton, swoosh, Pax Romana on the outside. Mighty Maton, swoosh, Pax Romana. Mighty Maton, swoosh, Pax Romana. Swoosh takes the lead. Pax Romana, Mighty Maton, and finally swoosh. Pax Romana, Mighty Maton. Then comes Spratly Island.
Okay, Bayang Karirisa, that's a very exciting race for your race number 6 kung saan dikit-dikit nga po dumating ang ating mga winners dito. But ang ating unofficial winner, ito pong numero 7, walang iba si Swoosh ni tendahan po ni RC Baldonido. Masasigundo lang yung numero 5, Pax Romana at numero 4, Mighty Maton.